Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. On today's video I am going to be showing you guys all the goodies that I bought for our new updated emergency kit. This is something that we feel that we need to have in case that you live in a in a state or in a place that you get hurricanes or any natural disaster. So we can be prepared. We don't have to be running when everybody's running to get supplies, because usually what happens is like everybody takes everything and then we cannot find anything. So I'm gonna be reviewing every single one of these items. I have divided those in 4 different categories. And yeah, so let's just jump right in and get started. So the first thing I'm doing here is I'm taking all the foods from my old emergency kit and everything that was in it, making sure nothing was expired, and those items that were expired, just throwing them away. Then I am trying to put in display so I can see everything that I bought. Most of our stuff we bought from the Dollar Tree and Walmart. So I'm trying to place all the items together so I can see what we got and if there's anything else that we need to get. So pretty much I am going to be describing every single item now. This is how everything looked after I put all the items we bought. Realized I bought a bunch of stuff. It's just a family of 2 and 2 dogs. Yeah, so the first thing I got is my first aid kit. I've had this kit for the past 2 years. I bought it at Walmart. I got some female hygiene items and deodorants. I also got some toilet paper just in case, some hand sanitizer. I also got us a few light items in case that we lose power. I got those from the Dollar Tree. I thought they were very interesting and I loved them. I got some anti-acid and these triple antibiotic. I love this thing. Some gauzes and medical wrapping stuff in the event that something would happen. More lights. I got also muscle rub and some Tylenol, as well as I got some vitamin C. Those are very useful lately. Some more wrapping gauzes. So I had also, this is another gauze. I got these travel wipes and these plates and cups. I got those probably a few years ago. I had them in case that we go camping or something like that. So I thought it would be useful to add them to our emergency kit. So we have 2 dogs, so we got 4 boxes of travel sized food at the Dollar Tree. And so these items I had already. There's some matches and open cans and 5 pieces for pots and pans for camping. I'm gonna add that. Actually, I bought an extra one. I didn't realize I had it. I am also going to add there a pair of scissors and a knife with some spoons and cooking utensils that we might need. These are candles. I have a lot of lights, you guys. If we lose power, I'll have enough lights. Now going to the other side, I have some toothpaste and some toothbrushes, as well as some Huggy baby wipes. I got those at the Dollar Tree. I thought that was very good. I also got us some face mask and some gloves in the event we need to touch something funny. I also got us some chicken noodle soup, just making sure that it's not expired. This expires in 2022, so we still have 2 more years to go. I got 2 cans, and I got us some light tuna and chicken breast in can, and some of the Vienna sausage. I try to look for stuff that was already cooked in the event that, you know, we lose power, we don't have a way to cook. I love these things, you guys, the tuna salads. I got those. They come it comes with crackers and it's ready to eat. I got those at the Dollar Tree. And these are diced peaches, and this is some Spanish style rice. This is already cooked. All I have to do is just heat it up, and some crackers, and more rice, but this rice I have to cook, but I got the pots and pans, so I figured just leave it there. I got us some ravioli for Daniel and some spaghetti for me because I hate ravioli. That's like no for me. Some pineapple slices and some pink salmon. So I got us some pots and pans holder, as well as some folding stuff with fuel. So all we have to do is just turn it on, and some trash bags that will make it easier, as well as some Ziploc bags so I can pack everything, because I live on the East Coast, so you know we have a lot of hurricanes, and most likely I don't want it to get wet, just in case. Also got us 2 cases of water at Costco. So I'm just gonna start packing everything by category. I pretty much wrote down each category so I know what it is, even though I can see it through. I thought it would look better. I started with the emergency stuff, and I just packed it all. Same thing with the hygiene products. I put them all together. Here I'm writing down for the food category. I got a few Ziploc bags for this because one, it was not going to be enough. Here I'm packing the lights and utility ones. Also packed 1 set of clothes for each one of us, just in case. And finally, I am taking and placing all of my items inside the 2 bins, the 2 empty bins that I had for this. And you know, if we need to go, we just grab each one of us and put it in the trunk, and we'll have everything we need for 72 hours to a 1-week emergency situation. That's it, guys. This is all for today. I just wanted to add real quick that if you have any paperwork that it's important, social security cards, passports, anything that you need in case of an emergency, have it handy, as well as good medicines that you may take. And as far as transportation, if you have those extra gallons of gas, you can just, those red ones, the big ones, you can fill it out with gas and have it handy in case that we run out of gas. There's a lot of natural disasters that you know, where we live in usually happen. So I like to have this, makes me feel a little bit safer and prepared, so I don't have to be running away to buy like a bunch of stuff when like everybody is going at the same time. So if you like this video, you guys, please like it and share it. Please subscribe, and I see you guys on the next one.